IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are there any parks or gardens near your home? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, there are some parks near my home. I sometimes go there for a walk. It is nice, but it is a little far from my house.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short and simple. Some hesitation implied. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Grammar. Mostly simple. Few complex forms. Pronunciation. Intelligible but plain. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates meaning but lacks detail and range. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, there are a couple of parks close to where I live. I usually go there after work to unwind and get some fresh air. They're not huge, but they're peaceful and well-maintained, so it's a pleasant place to relax.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, extended answer. Lexical resource, wider range. Unwind, well-maintained. Grammar, mix of complex and simple forms. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of 7.5, good detail, plus strong control. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. There's a beautifully landscaped botanical garden just a 10-minute walk from my place, along with a small neighborhood park. I often stroll through the garden on weekends because the plants change with the seasons, and it's a surprisingly effective way to reset my mood and clear my head.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully developed, natural, vivid description. Lexical resource, rich and precise, landscaped, neighborhood, reset my mood. Grammar, flexible, accurate, and sophisticated. Pronunciation, natural and nuanced. Typical of Band 9, effortless, detailed, and expressive. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.